Al Khair Foundation is delivering thousands of litres of clean and safe water daily via truck deliveries into multiple Rohingya refugee camps within the Bangladeshi border.
बर्मा की सरजमी से आया नहीं मदद को आया नहीं.
Just £30 supports the provision of this vital resource for life to thousands of vulnerable men, women and children. Quench the thirst and reduce the risks of waterborne disease by providing water to the Rohingya refugees now by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.